welcome back. Today I'm doing just to get ready with me. I have my base on. Put on my bronzer, which is the Sea Tart. It has blushes in here I'm going to use. And I have the Sigma Enchanted palette that I've had for a while that I have not used. So I want to try this palette out. And I'll open up this palette. I'm gonna use my 101 foundation brush that I use for bronzer. This bronzer, by the way, does blend out beautifully. And with this palette, I'm gonna use the Pinky Sky again. Set the eye with the Milk Makeup Primer, which I'm enjoying, by the way. I think the color story of this Enchanted palette is so beautiful. I really do. It's more of a spring palette, I think. She got pinks, some dual chromes, stuff like that. It comes with a brush, like they all do. These are nice brushes. I'm gonna go into Quartz, which is this kind of beigey color right here. Put that all over the lid. This palette is vegan, has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 mouths. It has 1, 2, 3 metallics, 2 shimmers, and I think one's a duochrome. I'm gonna go into Innocent, which is this like mauve pink color right here, and put that in my crease. So far, I'm liking the color story. I'm gonna take Loam. I think it's called, yeah, Loam. It's this color right here, which is a deep brown. I'm going to put that in my LV. I'm going to take one of my rougher brushes. They're good at blending out these powders. Blend it out. Then I am going to take my shimmer brush and go into budding, which is right here, and put that on my lid. I'm going to put on some mascara. That's it. That's my look. So far, I really like this palette. It's a very muted look you can get out of this. So, if you were looking for something more like Charlotte Tilbury pinks, I recommend this palette just from this look. I'd like to get more use out of my Sigma palettes, to be honest with you. I really like this color story. And I'm glad I purchased this palette. It is a purchase. If you're looking for Sigma palettes, wait till they have their 30% off sale, because you can get them all discounted. I'm not saying that the palette's not worth $45, because the palette is worth $45 from the formula. But I really enjoyed this. I look forward to making more looks out of this palette. Well, if you like videos like this, consider subscribing. Hit the like button. It helps me be seen by other people. I'll see you in my next video.